Hi guys! 7:45 PM na, iwaw feng shui na. Brethren, family and friends pong pinagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ang inyo pong lingkod, Brother Norman Cruz, ang inyo pong feng shui, pachi, chimen, yijing, and date selection consultant. So, kumusta po ang inyong linggo? How was your Monday to Friday? Now it's a Friday night, inagahan natin because most of us would be celebrating most probably your success mo for the year, for the month, for the week, and maybe it's time to unwind and maybe later. Ayan, so baka makatulog kagad or your summer out there. So inagahan ko na po, BFF. Yes, so again, though tomorrow is a Saturday, happy weekend, at least we will know still if you have some important things to do, you're still equipped with the information of being a winner. Of course, winner, lucky, and blessed, BFF. Yan. That's our, and of course, you get what you want. Yung po importante. Now, let's proceed of checking what is a Saturday. Ano po ba ang Sabado ng September 21? Of course, it's the information that you will know now that you can use tomorrow to equip you, to make you a winner, and you get what you want. Okay, BFF, tomorrow is the Earth Rat enters the Auspicious Officer Day. Wow, nice. Now, check natin. How auspicious is the Earth Rat tomorrow? Okay, it says here, well, it's not suitable for, so it says here, avoid all activities. So, would that mean, Kuya Norman, that you will just stay home and do nothing? Of course not. Actually, tomorrow po, I have a lot of activities. So, I myself, BFF, tomorrow will do a lot of things. Actually, I should be in 4 places tomorrow. Wow! But says here, avoid all activities. But we have the daily achievement, BFF. And we are not in the habit of postponing things, but we know deep inside that we still can do something about it. And BFF, I'm so happy. I just had my blood chem earlier, and my creatinine po now is in normal levels. Wow! After more than a year of struggling with my high crea last year, last year, which is a July month, now it's in normal levels. Thanks be to God and for your prayers. Thank you so much po. At least, yeah, this is a special episode for me because health is wealth. Yeah, thank you so much. Still, it's a journey. Of course, you cannot anymore really perfect. No, there's no more perfection in ang health, especially at this age. So we still have to do everything like exercise, eat a healthy diet, and do your thing, of course, no? Hindi tayo pwede magpabaya. Still, I'm so happy that, after so many months, after more than a year, my crea now is at normal levels. Thanks be to God. Thank you po. Okay, how about the animal signs? Let's check. So animal signs, the rat and ox are very good. Tiger is bad. Rabbit is average. Dragon is very good. Snake is average. Horse and goat, not so good. Monkey, very good. Rooster, average. Dog, bad. And pig, average. Okay, yan na. So, dito na po papasok, BFF, yung pong daily chimen. At least, you still can go forward. And Saturday will still be one of your best day ever. Yun ang po importante. Habang tumatakbo po ang mga araw, we make the most out of each day. Di po ba instead of being sad, contemplating on the negative side of things, we know better. We smile, tawanan lang po natin, we smile, and at the back of our mind, now, let's check. September 21. So September 21, anything to do with the blessing comes to you, the flying bird falling, Jade Maiden watching the door, heart-to-heart talk, person-to-person talk, talikod ka po sa South. If you're a blogger, content maker into sales and marketing, 10x being beautiful and handsome, talikod naman po sa Southwest. This is BFF. This is from 11:01 p.m. later to 10:59 the next day. So, that's back into Southwest. If you want to create game changer, and you want to attract people with quality, game changer, talikod sa Northwest. If you want to create opportunities here and abroad, talikod sa North. And health is wealth. Kailangan natin to. Talikod naman po sa Northeast. And anything to do with finances, tomorrow, di maiwasan, Kuya Norman. May usapang pera, may usapang money. Talikod naman sa East. Yan. Okay. Of course, hindi ko kayo bibitawan po na hindi po natin binibigyan ng script yung game changer. Backing to Northwest whole day, So, let's do it. BFF, let me show you how I would do it. Siyempre po, meron tayong script. After all, para wag tayong maligaw po sa ating sasabihin. Okay, let's start. So again, we always started with saying the universe, I let go of all that no longer benefits my journey and open myself to become the person needed to fulfill my dreams. In aspiration, I am deeply thankful for my blessings and always eager to evolve, learn, and do whatever it takes to achieve my dreams. I easily and effortlessly magnetize vision and speech by always attracting noble allies, forever lucky, generously aiding all, crafting robust lifelines, and livelihood for all. Amen. So, pwede po, you may add in between the lines. Basta po, the guidelines is, you let go, you open up, you give thanks, you ask for what you want, and you give it back to society, being a blessing to others, importante po. So, that's it. Okay, so tomorrow, yes, and then if you want the whole day of the Jade Maiden watching the door, if you want to benefit from the Jade Maiden, talikod po ito sa south, should you want that. Okay, ano po naman ang, let's say, Kuya Norman, gusto kong gamitin yung south. So, what is the script for the south na may Jade Maiden watching the door? And there's another structure po dito called the earthly fane, also a very auspicious structure. Okay, gawan natin ng script ang Jade Maiden watching the door, talikod sa south. Whole day din po ito, BFF. Again, ganun din po again. So you say, universe, I let go of all the things that no longer benefits my journey and open myself to become the person needed to fulfill my aspirations. I am deeply thankful for my blessings and I'm always eager to evolve, learn, and do whatever it takes to achieve my dreams. I easily and effortlessly magnetize. Okay, let's check. What do you magnetize? Tingnan po natin. Magnetize strategies and insight by always attracting the right people who brings me abundance, happiness as we build and grow business together. Amen. Hi to Ate Chona. Thanks for watching. So yun po BFF. So meron po tayong dalawang backing. One is the game changer, the Northwest, and one is the South backing naman for the Jade Maiden watching the door. So, yun na po tayo muna. Let's contemplate of looking doon po naman sa ating pong whole day chimen. Para po it's Saturday po, ano? So, let's not pressure ourselves in looking at the hourly and then nalimutan, hindi nagawa. So, let us not burden ourselves. Ha? Yes, Ate Chona, ha? So, whole day muna tayo. Whole day. Northwest backing and South backing, if you want to use both, pwede po anytime tomorrow, starting later, 11:01 p.m. to 10:59 p.m. Again, BFF, happy weekend, and let's keep this short. And yun po, don't forget the backing tomorrow. And again, yung pong ating pong Feng Shui for 2025 is already available. So if you want a formal consultation, online or on-site, you may message me here para po magkausap po tayo regarding the appointment. And also for those who want to avail the 7-star path, okay, pwede po. And to all my clients po, thank you so much for availing po naman the 9 stars. Yung pong the 9 candle Taiji Nobleman candle walk. Again, BFF, thank you so much. Let us continuously pray for each other. Let us continuously pray for our leaders and for world peace. Let us seal as one. Let us be a blessing to others. God bless us all. And with a grateful heart, maraming po salamat sa inyong lahat. God bless, good night, and see you again tomorrow. Happy weekend, brethren, BFF. Thank you.